because this week is the expiry of options calls on Ethereum. So it's a key date people have been looking at. I don't want to say necessarily it's Friday the 25th. And so I just wanted to get your thoughts. Overall, crypto has been down.
Yeah.
Including Ethereum, Bitcoin. But then there's this D-Day of sorts on Friday. What are your thoughts on crypto at these levels? And more importantly, Ethereum and the impact of Friday?
I mean, it seems to me, like looking at the chart, that Ethereum has kind of, in a sense, bottomed out. One of two things are going to happen. It's going to continue to go up from here, or the latter, if to what you're speaking about, what happens on the 25th, causes a sell-off. There could be a pretty extreme dive down, maybe perhaps down to the 1865 area, or even as low as 1500, like we saw when things kind of crashed after Doge took a shit. All that stuff happened around the Saturday Night Live issues and stuff like that. We saw crazy flash crash. So I think that there's definitely possibility that it could actually hold the support, but there's definitely a catalyst looming to what you were speaking about that could cause this to go lower and break that support, and it might get ugly if that happens.
Yeah, so it's $1.5 billion worth of options expiration on that day. This happened in the end of March, which caused a nearly a 20% drop off over for that following week. And so we could see something similar to that.
Yeah.
Now it came back stronger, and after that following week, then it proceeded to go up over 50% in the next month.
Yeah.
So could be a really good buying opportunity, guys. Like it went down to like 1,500 and then moved back to 2,500. We might see this thing under 2K, and if so, and even maybe close to that 1,500 mark, and if so, man, it's going to be hard not to scoop up more.
The 200
more Ethereum.
Yeah, the 200-day moving average is at around 1890 right now. Mm-hmm. So if it falls below that, it could get a little dicey. I mean, we saw it with Bitcoin. It actually did fall below the 200-day moving average and has struggled to get back up over it ever since. So it really is a interesting, I guess, indicator. Just following that 200-day moving average, it's wild to see how bullish it gets once it busts up over that. But once it's still below it, it really struggles to get back up over it. Mm-hmm. So I think that the same thing can be said for Ethereum. So Ethereum has remained above the 200-day moving average all year. So if this is what causes it to fall below that, it could get ugly.
Yeah, so keep an eye on that. June 25th, this Friday.